Good morning, class. I'm Teacher Regan. Welcome to Easy Elimu, the Learning Simplified. So in our today's session, we are still discussing whole numbers, and we are going to particularly discuss how to write numbers in symbols. So this is whereby you are given a statement describing an event attended by various number of people, children, women and men, and maybe you are supposed to give that information in figures. So this is very simple. You must have done this actually in your previous classes. It's only that the difference, I'll say that once again, the difference in grade 7 under numbers, with respect to writing numbers in symbols, we are now going all the way up to the tune of hundreds of millions. Are we together, class? Yeah, we are going all the way up to the tune of hundreds of millions. So maybe just to get an example, we are just going to go straight away into an example. Example. So you can write with me. The county government of Nakuru supplied its citizens with a total of 640 vaccines. Write the number of people who are vaccinated in symbols. So this is very simple. The question says that the county government of Nakuru supplied its citizens with a total of 10,294,640 vaccines. So write the number of people who got vaccinated in symbols. So in this scenario, we are assuming that all the total vaccines supplied were used by the citizens of that particular county. So in this case, if you want to get all the marks, so in exam you can realize that this question goes for around 2 to 3 marks. So some students or some of us do make a mistake of writing the number directly. You're supposed to show us how you are coming up with your number in symbol step by step. And in this case, you also need to appreciate the concept of place value of the total value of numbers. So the first part of the question is saying 10 million. So solution. So here we have 10 million, 294,000. So we have 200,000 and 94,000. We are adding bit by bit, and 94,640 vaccines. So here we have 640 vaccines. So are you seeing what I've done? Yeah, that's how you're supposed to go about it. If you just assume and write the number directly, the teacher might doubt. Yeah, I might think that you either copied your answer or you are colluding during an exam. So it's only wise that you go about it step by step. So after doing this, you add everything. So 0 add 0 add 0 add 0 plus, that is 0, good. 4 add 0, that is 4, good. 0 add 6, that is 6. 0, 0 plus 4, that is 4. 0 and 9, that is 9. 0 add 2, that is 2. Then here we have 0 and 1. So, and you write, the question 1, write the number of people who are vaccinated in symbols. So if you just leave your answer like this without defining it, then you might also lose marks. So after you are done, you must write people or what they are. Are we together? Yeah, so like I said, this is a very simple topic. We are just going to use question and answer method to understand this. So that is 10,294,640 people got vaccinated in that particular county. So the next example, before I give you some to try, next example. The Kenyan government supplied a total of 800 and 94 million, 700. Allow me to continue on this other side. $765,000 300 and 45 text books to public schools. Write the total number of books supplied in symbols. The total number of books supplied in symbols. So the Kenyan government supplied a total of 894,765,345 textbooks to public schools. Write the total number of textbooks supplied in symbols. So the same way, solution. So the first bit of the question is 800 million. 800 supplied 894 million. So we have 94 million 765,000. So we have 765,000 and 345. So allow me to write that together because of space. Then after that, we do addition. So 0, 0, 0, add 5, that is 5. Then that is 4. We are just adding 0 to them, that's why I'm maintaining the digits. So that is 3. That is 5. That is 5. that is 0. Is it not really? That is 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. And you write books, because that represents the total number of books that were supplied to public schools by the Kenyan government. So the books are 894,765,345 textbooks were supplied to public schools. So maybe just to give you an exercise to help you retain the concept in this area. They are very simple things, so long as you are keen and you are following the due steps. You can never fail in such questions in an exam. Those are actually free marks. Those are free marks in exams. You just have to be keen whenever you are answering your questions and you follow the due steps. Exercise. Exercise, maybe just number 1. The number of people who voted in the last general election was recorded as 8 million, rather 17 million 638,000 604 people. And 4. Write thrice this number in symbols. So according to the last general elections data, the number of people who voted were recorded to be 17,638,604. Write thrice this number in symbols. In other words, that implies you're supposed to multiply the original number by 3, then you give your answer in symbols. And you must always define your answer. Is it the number of people, the number of children, the number of buses, etc., etc.? You have to be very specific with what you are answering. Otherwise, we'll have to stop our session at that point. And in our next session, we shall discuss how to write now numbers in symbols back to in words. Is that okay? Yeah, have a nice day.